Depression natural treatment. Man is the social animal who has come with his own development. He has come to this phase with his own thoughts and ideas. He not only got the compensations with his progress but also got some of the negative aspects, like he was exposed to many diseases that came in the way of his progression. One among them is this depression. This is a curable disease and can get treated as early as possible at its early stage. It has a natural and herbal remedy. This depression is one of the diseases having an anxiety disorder that attacks especially the adult population. No matter what the age is or where we are from. The depression is a mental disorder that prevails in the person and may attack at any moment. Here in this condition he undergoes a mental disorder that affects his mood. In this situation he has abnormal feelings or normal feelings, which fall in the category of calm and deep, which in turn makes him to get or fell into the attack of this disease. If a person gets deeply attacked with this disease, then he is away from performing his daily activities or he is away from his normal life, and this can be considered as the symptoms of the depressive order. This in turn leads to personality disorder and lacks in self-improvement. When the man gets this at the initial stage, then it just sadness and gloom. But this must not go deeper, as he will become abnormal from his daily activities. So, he should get treated at its initial stage. He may get upset for the small things, but these should not contribute as a major part for his depression disease. Now there is a good news for this disease, that it can be cured with the proper treatment given by the physician whom you consult for the treatment. The cause for this depression is not found exactly. In the previous days the main cause was that the man was disturbed with his thoughts and emotions. But for this there are many factors, and it may depend on any of these factors, like biological, environmental and the genetic also. It can also occur when a person is affected with the chronic diseases that take some period to get cured. There is chance of getting affected with this disease when the medication does not cure the affected disease. One can say that he is affected with this disease when he has these signs like tension, sadness, lack of interest in new things or habits or daily activities, feels tired unnecessarily, inactive in what he does, unable to concentrate, feels guilty about himself, attempts or thinks about suicide. A person can come out of this depression with the regular intake of the medications which are prescribed by the physician, that may be natural or herbal. The patient may also undergo counseling if needed. It is better to turn your attention towards the natural or herbal treatments, as they don't have any side effects to you. The disease can be cured by the remedies are natural, so that they don't harm you and cures you as soon as possible. The primary thing what you can do is you can consult the doctor as early as possible. The checkups that are needed should be regularly, as it should be narrowed at its first stage. Keeping oneself with enthusiasm and being away with the tiredness. To have confidence in doing the works which are daily activities or others. This depression can be helped when we encourage the people active in their work, thinkings. He should have a loved atmosphere that can cure the disease.